Today, I will be doing an unboxing video of the latest Arduino UNO R4 and comparing the two versions of R4. The new Arduino UNO R4 comes in two versions, UNO R4 Wi-Fi and UNO R4 Minima. They both use the same main control CPU, Renesas RA4M1 on Cortex M4, running at a speed of 48 MHz, which is 3 times faster than the UNO R3. The Wi-Fi version of the board features a built-in matrix LED and ESP32 S3 on the outer packaging. The front side of each version is labeled with their respective models. The differentiate between the two versions. The back side of the Wi-Fi version packaging highlights the Wi-Fi and matrix LED features. Upon unboxing, the official package includes an acrylic baseplate and some instruction manuals. In comparison to the R3, both versions of the R4 have added a tap support. What are you waiting for? Come and get one to experience it for yourself.